Okay, so now in our last lab we have completed 19 queries. So now we are going to start with 20th query. Okay, so from 20th query it is for special operators. Okay, where we have to use in keyword, between keyword, whatever is given. Okay, so see, the question of your 20th query is display all salesmen that were located in either Barcelona or London. Use in keyword. Okay, so we have completed this in practical 3. How we are going to perform this query? Here I am going to write the answer for this query. If you already know the answer, then you can perform it by yourself. Okay, first try it by yourself. If you don't know, then you can come here and look for the answer. Okay, everyone please try by yourself. Here I will be doing select star from then table name. Table name is salesman. Then I am going to write the condition which is given where city. It is said to me in question that I have to use in keyword. So here I am using in. Okay, where city in. Then I have to write both city name. That is Barcelona, comma London. Now see here, look here, do one thing. If you have written London in small, then you have to write L in small. If you have written Barcelona's B in small, then here you have to write B in small. Whatever you have written in your table, that way you have to write because this is case sensitive. If it would be in small and you have written in capital, then it will not identify. Okay, so if you forgot what you have entered, then first look it into your table, what value you have entered, and then write here. Okay, everyone completed? Once you completed, please write here done. Okay, Yash completed. Okay, Naishargi done. Vartika, okay, Hemali. Hmm. Okay, Goswami Gatia completed. Nehil, Kunj, Nehil and Kunj. Nehil, you were absent. You were absent in last lab, Nehil? Yes. Okay, so Nehil, you do the same thing. Which okay, Kunj was also absent. Fine. So Nehil and Kunj, you both do same thing what Poojan is doing right now. Okay, you create the table and you insert the value. Once you complete that 3 table, please acknowledge me here. Okay, if you need my help in queries, then you can ask. Am I clear, Nehil and Kunj? Okay, fine. If you have any query, then you can ask. Poojan, you can also ask if you have any query. Okay, so now we are moving towards next query. See your next query, that is 21st. That is find all customers matched with salesman S1001, S1007 and S1004. So here it is said to us that you have to use the table customer and you have to find S number as given. Okay. So what I am doing here, select star from customer. You please first try by yourself. Okay, where now see customer table means we have created table customer in practical 2 also as well as in practical 5, that means in last lab. Okay, so here if you have given in last lab, if you have given name of customer table as customer 1, then you have to write customer 1. If you have given 2, then you have to write customer 2, whatever name you have given, but do not confuse it with previous table. Okay, do not write here name of previous table which you have created in second lab. Okay, so here I am writing select start from customer where snum in, then here in bracket I need to write all the values S1001, comma S1004, comma S1007. Okay, perform this query, and again I am saying again, do not forget to take the screenshot. Okay, do not forget to take the screenshot. Everyone complete this. See, first you have to try by yourself. If you do not get answer, then and only then you have to see here. Okay. Himali, Shubham, okay, completed. Everyone completed? Vartika then. Okay. Okay, everyone completed. Naishargi, Shubham Goswami. Done. Should we move forward? Yes. Okay. What about Goswami? Completed. Okay, fine. Now look to towards the question of your next query. That is, display all salesmen with commission between 0.10 and 0.12. Okay. So here we are going to use the word between, and we are going to use the table salesman. Okay. So here I am writing select from salesman where commission COMM, that was my column name, right? If you remember in last lab we have created one column named COMM for commission. Okay. Between, here I am using between keyword, then I will be using the numbers. Okay. So that is 0.10 and 0.12. Fine. Try this. Is it working? Try this. Is it working? Let me know once you complete it. See, you can try query by yourself. If you get some new query other than what I'm writing here, then you can write in chat box that this query is also working. Yesterday, student gave me few new queries that ma'am, this query is also working, which I was not knowing about. So you can also do that way. Okay, everyone completed? Take screenshot and paste that in your Word file also together. Do that also because you need to submit this practical also, right? Okay. So now, see, our next query is 23rd. Check the question of 23rd. It is saying select all customers whose name fall in A and G alphabetically. Okay. So when we start, sorry, when we apply the constraint that name should start with this letter, at that time we were using like, then here I was writing a percentage. That means everyone's name should start with a, right? Same way we have to use here. I'm writing here select star from table name, that is customer, where then I have to write C name, that is my column name. If your column name is only name, then you can write here only name. Okay. C name like percentage, sorry, a percentage. This will be your first query, and for G you have to write here G percentage. So it will give you output. Check if it is working or not. If you are having any new query for this, then you can write here in chat box. Right now, check this one. Is it working? Everyone completed this? Please let me know. Yes, done. Okay. Yash, Himali, Shubham. Okay. Okay. So let us start with another query. That is, you are getting output, right? I hope you are getting correct output. Check that also together. Okay. So our 24th query, it will start for like operators, right? Now other queries are for like operators. I mean 24th and 25th. Fine. So here you have to list all the customer whose names begins with G. So same, you have to write this query for 24th also. Do that. I don't think it is needed now because we have already done it. You can copy paste that screenshot only. Okay. Then list all salesmen whose names start with letter P and end with letter H. Okay. So here you have to write select star from customer where C name like will start with letter. Sorry, we are talking about salesman, right? So here I will be writing salesman. Where S name, that will be your column name. Okay, do not forget that, please. Here I will be writing like P percentage and S name like percentage H. That means it will start with P. P percentage means पहले P percentage की जगह कुछ भी आ सकता है. Okay, and here at last I am writing percentage H. That means last में H ही आना चाहिए, आगे कुछ भी आ सकता है. Okay, so we have to fulfill this both conditions. Fine. Perform this. Complete 24th and 25th and let me know here. We will move to next part. Everyone completed 24th and 25th both? Everyone? Naishargi, okay. Kartika, Shubham, Yash, okay. Fine. So we are going to next part, that is for null operators. Okay. Here we will be using null operator. So see, question of 26th query is select star from customer where city is null. Why? Because we have to find the table with null values in the city column. Okay. So that you can do it by yourself. Okay. I am writing here. Do it by yourself first. If you do not know the answer, then come and see your answer. Where city is null. Okay, complete this. Okay, what about Poojan, Nehil, and Kunj? Poojan, Nehil, and Kunj, right here, how much you have completed? Completed first and second table.
No, ma'am. First
How
ટેબલમાં
much you
વેલ્યુ
have?
ઇન્સર્ટ કરી છે.
Okay, Nehil and Kunj, creating first table. You are still creating Nehil? Kunj, first table, okay. After creating, please start inserting the values. You want to know the queries? Poojan, Nehil, Kunj. You want to know the queries? Should I write here? Yes. Okay. See, if you get any error, then you can ask in between. Okay. Fine. So, first, what you are doing? First, you are going to create the table salesman, right? So, for that, you need to write here the command create table and table name, that is salesman. Okay. In bracket, you have to write the columns names. And here also constraint is given that first letter must start with S and it should be primary key. So, I am doing this together only. Here I am writing S name, where care 6, and here primary key, because my this column should be primary key. Also I want to apply check constraint, so here I'm writing check s num like percentage, it should start with s. Okay, so s percentage. Okay, after that my second column is s name. Okay, fine. So here I'm writing s name, then data type, that is varchar. Here I will be writing 20, and that should not be null. So here I am writing not null. Okay. Then my next column is city. So here I am writing city, varchar 30. Okay. Then my next column is commission. So here I am writing COMM for commission. My data type will be number. In bracket, I will be writing 5 comma 2. That means at most 5 digits, and after point decimal digit can be 2. Okay. So then I will be doing here semicolon. Okay. So Nehil, Kunj and Pujan, you people can take screenshot of this photo. Sorry, take photo of the screen. Okay. Nehil, Kunj and Pujan, should I write insert query also? Or you remember that?
No, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Thank you. Yeah. So we have completed, everyone completed 26th query? Everyone? Yes? Fine. Now see, what is my next query? 27th. Write two queries that will produce all orders taken on October 3rd and 4th, 1990. Okay. Now here I have to write two queries by using in operator as well as between operator. Okay. So what we were doing to select the date. So here I am writing the command select star. If you remember, then please do it by yourself. From order 1, that is my order table name, where to care, and here I'm writing O date Here DD. DD means I want to find in date. I mean the day part, right? If I want to find in month, then I will be writing here mm. Okay. So here I'm writing DD. Then I am using in keyword. This is my first query for in keyword. In bracket, I have to write which two dates 03 and 04. Okay. Everyone do this. Then by between. First complete this and then here I am writing between query also. Select star from order 1 where same query will be there. Just I will be replacing keyword. Date DD, that means my day part. Here I am writing between. Rather than using in keyword, I am going to use between keyword. So here I am writing between 03 and 04. Okay. Everyone complete both the queries and let me know here.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I sent you a screenshot as it is coming. Can you check it?
Okay. Yes. Yes. Okay, you are getting error that is missing or invalid option. Create table salesman. After salesman, you have done opening bracket. Nihil,
No,
do opening
opening.
bracket after salesman and don't give space between both of them. Check with num like SS name varchar and don't keep space between varchar and 20. You don't need to keep space between data type and length. Then also between number and 5 too. Do that and let me know whether it is working or not. Everyone completed both the queries? Okay. Nehil done? Nehil completed?
Uh, New error is coming. Missing left parenthesis.
Okay, send me screenshot.
Yes.
Aditi, why are you late, Aditi? Hello? Aditi, am I audible to you? Why are you late? Unmute yourself. Okay, you have started fifth practical. You have created table and inserted values. I think you were also absent in last lab. You are present or you were absent in last lab? Start creating table and inserting values, Aditi. And at last, you need to present your screen and show me how much you have completed, okay? Nehil, you send me the screenshot.
I sent you.
Okay. Missing left parenthesis, okay. Nehil, you have kept space between a salesman and opening bracket, and you have not written there S num. You have written only num, and in check you have written S num. So that will not work. Also at last you have forgotten to close the bracket. After 5, 2 you need to close one more bracket that is missing here. Do that and let me know whether it is working now or not. Okay, so now we will move to next query. Our next query is write a query that select all the customer matched with S1001 and S1002. So this is the easiest one, right? Try it by yourself, everyone. Try it by yourself. Select star from customer where snum equals to S1001 or snum equals to S1002. Okay. So out of these two, whoever's value snum is S001 and S1002, both will be displayed in output. Do this. Done. Okay, Naishargi completed. Okay, anyone else? Vartika, okay. Do not forget to take the screenshot and paste it in your Word file. Yash completed, very good. Shubham, okay. What about Shubham Goswami? Shubham Goswami completed. Kunj, where is Kunj? Kunj left the meeting. Okay, fine, completed. Okay, see next query. Write a query that will produce all of the customers whose name begin with a letter from A to H. Okay. So here you need to write select star from which table customer where C name between, here you can write A, capital A, because I think you would have written capital A, right? And here you can write capital A and H. Check whether this is working or not. If it is not working, we can go with second query. Check it is working or not. Nehir, you have solved your error.
I'm doing it.
Sorry.
I'm doing it. I have to write the code again.
Okay, fine. Ask me if you need my help. This is working, right? Fine. So next query is write a query that selects all customer whose name begin with C. This you know. This answer you know, right? Complete it by yourself, everyone. You have to write C percentage. We have completed this query, right? Do it. Okay, completed? Fine. So next query is write a query that selects all orders without zeros or nulls in amount field. Okay. So what we need to do here is we have to write. Okay, just a minute. My screen is visible to you, right? My screen is visible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. So fine, here what I am going to do, I have to select the order where zeros and nulls amount is not there. So I am writing here select, okay, select star from table name, that is order 1. My table name is order 1, where amount not in. I am using the keyword not in because I do not want it in zero or null. So here I am writing this. Try this. Is it working? Try this. Get the output. Okay, completed? Fine. So now we are moving to next block, that is for functions. Okay. So from 32nd query, we are going to work on functions, right? Which we have already done. So here in 32nd query, it is said display sum of amount average of orders, amount and average. Okay. So here my query will be, we have done this for dual table, right? We have done this for dual table, I think. Select sum is keyword, and for which two field I want, first is for amount. So here I will, then I can write here in bracket that this is total sum, or this is sum. Let us write sum. This is optional. Whatever I am writing here, this is optional, okay? In yellow bracket, in this double quotations, okay? Then I can also write comma. I want to find average, right? So I'm writing average, then in bracket amount. Okay, it will give me average. From which table? From order table. So here I am writing from order 1. Okay, check this whether you are getting correct output or not. You are going to find sum of amount and you are going to find average of amount. So these are the two things. Poojan, Nihil, Aditi, what is your status? Please write here in chat box. How much is completed? Nihil inserting values. Okay. What about Poojan and Aditi? Aditi ma'am, I was writing previous one. Okay. And Poojan? Poojan, are you there? Customer table. Okay. Whatever Pooja, Aditi, Nehil, and Kunj, inform Kunj also. Whatever you people have missed, please complete that by this week. Okay, you need to submit your file. So this will be needed. Okay, completed. Fine. So now next query, see the next query. That is to count the number of salesmen without duplication in the order table. Okay. So without duplication, if we want to count anything without duplication, which keyword are we using? Answer me this thing. Which keyword we are using so that we cannot get any duplication? Distinct. Very good, Vartika. So distinct is the keyword that we are using, right? For avoiding the duplication. So I will use here that keyword. That is, I will not write just select count. I will write select distinct count. Okay, I am writing here select distinct count. Then what I need to write S number so that duplications in S number will be avoided. Okay, here I can write total salesman. This is ignorable. You can ignore this thing, total salesman, where I have written from table name, that is salesman. Fine. Complete this. Everyone, please complete this. Completed. Okay. Done. Okay. Now next query, that is count the rating of customers with null and without null. So without null, you know the keyword distinct, right? With null, what you need to do? Here I am writing first query we are performing for with null. Okay, so for that I have to write select count in bracket. I am writing star. Star means it will include null values. Okay, so here I am writing total rating. Again, this is ignorable from customer, whichever table. Okay, this is for including null value, and without null, what you are going to write? Select count in bracket distinct rating here from customer. So here customer is my table name and rating is my column name. Okay, perform both these queries. Everyone, please perform both these queries and let me know. Okay, completed. Now see our next query. Find the largest order taken by each salesperson. Okay, so here first you try to do it by yourself. So here we have to write find the largest order taken. Okay, we have to use group by. So you can do this query by two way. One is without using group by, but here it is given to us that you have to use group by. So what I will do here, select snum, comma, max. Why I am writing max? Because I want to find largest. Okay, round of amount. So here I am writing amount. Fine. After that, I need to, if I want to, then I can mention here maximum. Then table, that is from order 1 group by snum. Okay, this is my query. Perform this. Is it working? Check it. Hello. Okay, completed. Fine. Now we are going to move to our next question. Okay, so see, what is our next question? 36. Find the largest order taken by each salesperson on each date. So here you have to consider order date. Okay, here you have to consider order date. So here what I'm doing, I just need to change one thing. That is, I will write order date here as well as I will write order date here. Order date. Okay. Okay. Fine. Do this. Do this and let me know. Okay, completed. Now see next query, that is 37th. What is given in 37th? Find out which day had the higher total amount order. Okay. So you have to find higher amount, that is maximum amount of order. Okay. And here I am not going to consider S number. I am just going to consider order date. Okay. On which date I am getting the higher amount. So here I will be writing max amount. I'm not going to use this round keyword. Okay. So what we did here, we have written select order date maximum amount from order table group by order date. Okay. Again, I do not need to write here S number because I'm only considering this order date right now. Okay. Complete this everyone. Complete this and let me know. Okay, try to do next query. Try it by yourself. Here it is given that write a query that counts all order for 3rd October. Okay, so how can you do that? Try by yourself first. So here I am writing, I have to count all orders, right? So here I'm writing to select count amount from order. That means my table name. Now date is given to me 3rd October. So I will apply that here. Where to care, because we are talking about date, I'm writing here to care. Okay. Order date, that is my column name. Here in inverted comma, I'm mentioning the format, that is date and month. Okay. There I will be writing equal to, then here I will be writing the date 0310. Okay, try this one, everyone. Try this one. Completed? Okay. Now see next query. The next query, that is write a query that counts the number of different non-null city in the customer table. Different non-null city, that means distinct. Okay, duplication should not be allowed here. If I will say that null city, then I will write star, right? But here I am talking about non-null city. So here I am talking about distinct city. Fine. Here what I have written. Just a second. Okay. So here I will be talking about distinct city, right? So I have to write select count here distinct city. Okay, because of not null. Then total city from customer, right? Try this query. Try this query. Completed? Fine. Now, in 40th query, write a query that selects the first customer in alphabetical order whose name begin with G. So here you have to write, name begin with G. That means you have to write like G percentage. Okay. So here what we are going to do, I am writing here select customer name, that is my column name is C name, from which table, from customer table, where C name like G percentage and order by. Why I am using order by? Because I want to, just a second. Okay. Why I am writing here order by? Because see in our question what is given to us? Write a query that selects the first customer in alphabetical order. It is given to us. Okay. So we are using this order by query. Fine. Complete this. Anyone, any doubt here? Any doubt in all these queries? Everyone, please complete this and write here if you have any doubt. Now take 2 to 5 minutes of time and complete the Word file. Okay. Adjust your screenshot and everything in format. Take 5 minutes of time and everything, adjust that all things in your format. Okay. Also, I want to know about Poojan, Nehil, and Aditi. How much you people have completed? Please write here in chat box. Now we will start revision of that topic. Please let me know here how much has been completed. Devin, when did you join? Devin, am I audible to you? When did you join? Devin, please unmute yourself. Why? Why so early? We have almost completed our task for this lab. Why you joined this late? Devin, I'm asking you something. Please you unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Why you joined so late?
No, I was asleep.
What? You were?
No, I was sleeping.
Okay, you have completed first 19 queries in our last lab, or were you absent in last lab also?
No, I was absent, but I have completed.
Have completed? Fine.
Yeah.
So today by 3 o'clock you need to send me screenshot, okay, of
Okay.
practical file, whatever you have completed in practical file. Send me screenshot of that queries.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Poojan, Aditi, and Nehil. Please write here how much has been completed. Then we are going to do revision of our topic. So now Poojan, Aditi, and Nehil, please let me know here. Nehil, two table inserting values. Okay. Aditi,
Hello, ma'am.
yes.
મેડમ સ્ક્રીનશોટ સેન્ડ કર્યો છે.
Okay, fine, no issues. Aditi, what about you? So in 5 minutes we are going to start our revision topic. Okay.
Hello, ma'am. Hello. Ma'am.
Okay, fine everyone. So now we are starting our revision session. Okay.